Hey everybody, we are back again, and today we're going to be doing a very simple star design hairstyle because tomorrow is what?
4th of July.
4th of July. Yep, tomorrow's 4th of July.
And guess what? It's my mom's birthday tomorrow.
Yep, it's my birthday, 4th of July, baby. I've always loved fireworks until I got older, and then I'm so sick of them because I see them every single year and everyone makes a big deal because it's my birthday. But today we are going to be doing a star hairstyle so she can have a patriotic type hairstyle for the 4th. So I washed and conditioned her hair just a little bit ago. I added some, let's see, Shea Moisture Curl and Style Milk to her hair. And so we're just going to get started. So we're going to make the first part up here in the front. This is going to be the top of the star. Let's see, how am I going to do this? Okay, so I'm just going to take a little section in the front. I don't want it too big because we're going to need 4 more sections for the rest of the star. Okay, so there is our first part. It's going to be in front of the ear, and you're just going to go all the way across to the other side. Just going to tie this up for a second. Okay, and I'm going to be using yellow rubber bands because star, right? Mm-hmm. You know what you said?
Yellow rubber bands because stars are yellow balls of gas in the sky.
Okay, I'm going to get some of my flaxseed gel and just put that all on the edges and kind of run it through to the ends. Then we're going to smooth it all down, and you want to make this ponytail directly in the middle because it is the tip of the star. So what you're going to do is split this in half because these are going to be the 2 starting lines of the star that are going to go down like this. So you can have twists or braids, it's up to you really. I think I'm going to braid these this time. So all of her little sections will have braids in them. So I'm just going to split it in half because you need 2. Take one half, braid it, and braid the other half, and then we'll do the next section. Okay, so now that we have that done, we're going to do the next 4 sections. We'll do all the ponytails, and then we'll go ahead and do the connection to create the star. Okay, so you're just going to make a straight line coming from that ponytail all the way back to the back of the neck. And then you're going to split that each side in half. So you're making 4 sections. You want to place the ponytail kind of lower, more toward the ear for this section, because your star goes out, and then the bottom ones are going to be closer to the middle of the head because it comes back in. These are supposed to be the far points of the star, so you don't want them in the middle, you want them a little closer to the ear. These ones you're going to have to place the ponytail more toward the center of the head, okay? And since you know that these top ones are going down into here, you can go ahead and put in, you can take one of them and bring it all the way down and add it to the hair as you put in your ponytail. Okay, so now we have the other sections here. So we're going to have to create our other lines. So you're going to have one going this way, and across. So I'm going to take this one over here on the left. I'm going to split it in 2. One of them is going to be the section that goes this way, and the other one's going to be the section that goes down this way. Okay, so for the lines that go across, I did 2. So I'm just going, because there's going to be too much hair. You don't want like one really big thick piece, because if I only did one and then put the rest of that, all of this hair would go down here and be super thick, and the rest of them would be thin. So I'm just going to kind of, I split each part in half, and I did 1 braid, and we're just going to bring those to each side and put in a rubber band again. So you can crisscross them, you can try to pin them to where it only shows one, like that, and just pin it down and maybe it'll stay. I have these little clips I can actually put in here that would make them stay on top of each other. So we're just gonna go ahead and put in another rubber band, securing these from each side. All right, so then you're gonna take these sections here, you're gonna braid this whole section, just one braid. You're gonna crisscross it down across to here, and that will be your star. It goes up, down, just like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'll let you guys see the end results. All right, so I just attached the 2 braids to down here, and there you have it. That is your star hairstyle. I put in these little hair clip thingies that I found. I think I found them on Amazon. I can't remember. Just to add a little extra on each point of the star, and then I left the little curls down here. So this is just a super easy and quick hairstyle that I think anyone can do, and it is festive.
Yep, just for the 4th of July holiday.
Yeah. Alright guys, well that is the style for today. It was just a quick little star hairstyle. It took me about 20 minutes, I'd say. Probably faster if you're not recording, but yeah, I really like it. It's festive for the holiday. This little clip is coming out. I'll have to fix that. You can get little clips to hide the rubber bands. You can just let the rubber bands show. I think it looks okay either way. So what do you think?
I love this hairstyle. It's a little star because there's 50 stars on the flag, and it's going to be for July 2, my mom's birthday, so I'm so happy about this style.
And it comes to little pigtails in the back, which are super cute. You can braid them, twist them, you can leave them curly and let them hang. I think they look cute.
With them.
Yeah, I think they're cute like that. So guys, if you like this hairstyle, give us a thumbs up. If you're not already, please subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out, and we love sharing these hairstyles with you guys. And leave us a comment if you liked it or if you tried it. We like talking with other families and see how their hair journey is going.
Yep. Guys, so while Mommy was doing my hair, I drew this, and it says Supernova because that's my nickname. It's my nickname in the house. So yeah. Supernova with my curly hair.
What a great drawing.
I'm a pretty good artist.
Alright guys, well, that's all for today. We will see you next time.
Bye.